also need is 10mm Allen on the extension. Need a pump. Calls out 75/90, but I'm going to use 75/140, and a pan. There's an opening here on the back side to get through. That's why you have the extension. And I always unlock the top one first, because if you can't get the top one off, you don't need to drain it, and you'll be stuck. Alright. That's not easy. Gear fluid looks very good, very clean. I'm happy with that. Look at the magnet. This bottom one is a magnet. See all the trash on there? Car's at 60,000 miles. I suggest doing this every 60,000 miles. What you want to do is make sure you see all the metal particles on there. You want to clean them all off. Get everything off and clean this up before you put it in. You also have a crush washer in here, or a little washer. If it leaks, that's what you replace. You'll replace this washer. They don't leak very much though. Now that you have the magnet 100% clean, it's drained, double check everything, put it in the bottom end and tighten it up. Out. Take your hose, stick the tube. Once you have it in, usually it'll stay in place. Pump it in until it starts coming out. Now that you have it coming out, you pull the hose out, let it pour out a little bit, then put the drain plug in. Usually while you're still underneath there closing everything up, you can take the hose and just kind of wedge it right there. Usually you can get it to stay. Now that you got it where you want it, spray with blade cleaner, check it for leaks later. Thank you for watching Two Sean's One Car Garage, how to change a rear differential gear fluid.